Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants and Friday Night Cocktails.
Yes.
So what is our cocktail tonight, John?
So tonight we are making a drink. I didn't tell her this before we started, but I don't think you're going to like very much. I've had one of these.
Did you like it? Not really. That's what that means.
It's not. So
what's in it?
We're having a rusty nail. So a rusty nail is it's really conflicted in terms of its history. Some people think that it was invented, or I say invented again, it's not like a light bulb. Created in 1937. There's some writings about that. But the most plausible it was that it was created in the 1960s. In 1967, it was actually written as a recipe in the old Mr. Boston Bartender Cocktail Guide, which was kind of, we actually have a Boston's Cocktail Guide. We don't have that original one from 1967.
Is this in
it? Yes, it's in it. So, and it was extraordinarily, its big heyday was in the 60s and 70s. One of the reasons of that was because it was, which is the whole reason why I wanted to try it, is it was enormously popular with the Rat Pack. Dean Martin, Frank Sinatra, Sammy Davis, all of those guys. And so it just, whatever they did, everybody did. So it literally is a 2-ingredient cocktail. It is a 2-to-1 ratio. So we have 2 parts, whatever, in our case tonight, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of Scotch and 3/4 of an ounce of Drambuie. For our Scotch, we're using a monkey shoulder, which isn't crazy expensive, and it's a decent blending.
Mixing Scotch?
Yeah, mixing Scotch, I would say. Drambuie is actually a Scotch, but it's a liqueur. It's blended with honey and some spices. So it's really simple to make, but it's strong. So
I've got like big girl pants. I can take a strong cocktail.
Okay, so let's test that out, Miss Big Talker. So
I don't think strength is going to be the what's at issue. It's usually flavor.
Right. So we're going to do 1.5 ounces each. Again, we're making a double for each of us, but 1.5 ounces of the monkey shoulder, and then we have 3/4 of an ounce. Her arms are already crossed, so that means that she's doubting me. We have 1.5 ounces of the Drambuie, and I actually like the Drambuie because I have a sweet tooth. So
probably enough of that story.
Yeah. So then
you have more of a salty tooth than a sweet tooth.
Yeah, both. When it comes to liqueurs and cocktails and that kind of stuff, thank you. I would say I have a sweet tooth, but you show me a bag of chips and there won't be a bag of chips. So we're just going to
make popcorn tonight.
Okay.
That sounds really good.
Your popcorn.
I make amazing world-class popcorn. Thank you, Char, for inspiring that.
She does.
A fan favorite for 30 plus years.
It has. So we're just going to
We'll do that as a separate. That would be a fun. We should totally do that.
Yeah, we should.
Let's do that and film it. We're all set up. I'll make it and we'll just film it.
Well, I want to taste this first.
Oh, all right.
So we're just going to get this down.
I've already moved beyond. You already told me I'm not going to like it.
Clearly. So let's get that moved over. I'm just going to serve this over a big rock.
Oops, sorry.
We have our big rock in there, and we have kind of our Art Deco fancy glasses.
Yeah. Thank you, World Market.
Hold on.
Those aren't World Market. I lied. Those are Biskers.
Something.
Biskers.
We're not sponsored, so we don't have to remember the names. So,
but we like to because they have really cute barware.
They do.
But we have a lot from World Market, and I love their barware. I love they're awesome.
Just going to do a little lemon peel. I'm going to reach in there, put that in the liquid, go around the horn, And let's see what you think. So you gotta smell it first.
I will.
So I get the
It smells, I get the lemon.
Yeah,
like,
it almost
I'm
smells
like, I like it so far.
It almost smells like lemon pledge. So, okay, here we go.
It's not terrible. I mean,
that's a resounding.
It's a yes, maybe. I mean, yeah.
It's an after.
You built it up that I thought it was going to be horrible.
No, but it's just it's an acquired.
And I'm like, that's not terrible.
Not everybody likes Scotch.
It's got that. It mellows the Scotch, I think.
Yeah, it does because not everybody, admittedly.
Sorry.
I'm a bourbon fan. I like bourbon more than I like Scotch, and so while I will drink Scotch, neat. My preference is not to, and so I do like this, and I like the Drambuie. I think the combination of spices that it has, it makes for a fun drink. And this is I would definitely do this as an after dinner because it's all liquor. There's no cut, and a couple of these, and
I'd like to call out. We have not had dinner yet, so this could get really interesting.
Oh, it totally could. Totally could.
That's why I mentioned popcorn, because I might do popcorn for dinner, because that's a perfect Friday night dinner.
Yeah.
For me.
I
think it's good. You get this. You get a little bit of that peaty on the end, but it's mellow and it's not overly sweet.
No.
At all.
No, because again, 2 to 1. You've got the majority of it is the Scotch, and then this just gives you a little bit of sweet.
Yeah, I don't hate it.
Okay, good.
But thank you for prejudging and assuming I would.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. That means code word. I'm getting yelled at as soon as we turn the cameras off.
Yep.
So.
And I'm drinking yours. No, I'm kidding. No.
Well, thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed. If you have, hit like and subscribe. Tell us if you want us to make a cocktail of your choice and your liking, and we will absolutely do that.
Yeah, don't send us one you don't like. But if you're just curious and you don't have the ingredients, but you want us to test it, we'll do that.
This is horrible. Let's make them taste it.
Right, that would be funny.
So.
That might happen.
Okay.
Okay, be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants and a cocktail on Friday.
See ya.
See ya.